So tonight I want to talk about cable management a little bit and some things that you can do to help make things not only more manageable, but look a heck of a lot better. The Pro Event Table is something I've been using for a year now, and the Pro shelves came out in late summer. When they came out, I started putting moving heads on them. Right now I'm using the Pocket Pro Pearls, and up until probably the beginning of the year, all I was doing was master slaving one head to the next, and I was using a little IR remote. But I decided to go with the Airstream DMX Bridge, which, as many of you know, is an iPad app accompanied with a Wi-Fi dongle. This is a wireless Wi-Fi dongle, and it allows you to send a wireless Wi-Fi signal to other fixtures. Now I have some Wi-Fi pars that I use. They're hex pars, and yeah, this is wonderful. No cables or anything. But I don't have Wi-Fi moving heads like this, the small ones that I want to use. I have to use DMX cable. So when I added the Airstream DMX Bridge, I had to add this DMX cable going up to my first head, and then we've got this other DMX cable over here going to my second head. As you can see, I have a cable mess. And the reason I have a cable mess is because the shortest cables that I owned were 10 footers. They're the accu-cable, and if I pop this one off here, show it to you, if you can see that, it's got kind of a lime green ring on it, which identifies it as a 10-foot cable. So I got to looking at the accu-cable website, took a look at some of my other options, and I came up with this. It turns out that you can get DMX cable in several different lengths, pre-made. You don't have to make them yourself or anything. For instance, this cable right here, it has a gray ring on it. This is a 2-foot cable. So if I have my dongle tucked back here out of the way, where I think it works pretty good, and I only have like a foot run, why not get a 2-foot cable? Gives you a little slack to run something from the dongle to your first moving head. Then I took a 5-foot DMX cable. The table's only 4 foot long, so a 5-foot red ringed DMX cable works pretty well from just going from one head to the next with not a lot of extra slack. Now yeah, you could go longer and you can really hide this cable if you want to, but this is a really good start to help clean up your table or your mess anywhere that you have with cables on your DJ system. Figure out how you want to set things up, figure out what your cable lengths are going to be, and use the right lengths for your setup. And with these accu-cables, like I said, it's super easy. This one I mentioned has a gray ring on it. This one right here with the red ring, they're easy to identify the lengths that way. So it's easy to set up and less mess to deal with. So just a quick video for you. I hope it helped somebody, gave you some ideas. And yeah, I just used the back of the sign to make this white so you could kind of see what was going on and how much we have actually cleaned it up. A little hard to see on camera, black on black. That's a blessing as well. If you're running cables, you have a black tabletop, they're going to camouflage a little bit for you. So quick video for you. I hope it helped somebody or gave you some ideas. Thank you for watching, practice, and enjoy.